Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start part 2 of chapter number 6, Riya's journey, means Riya ki yatra. But firstly we will revise what we learned in part 1. In part 1 we had learned Riya and Jia, her friend, were very excited because they were going for a trip on a train to Vapi, and they booked their ticket before 15 days, and Jia fell ill before 2 days of their journey and they cancelled their ticket. As we all know, we all are using different modes of transport. What is the meaning of modes of transport? So, vehicles by which we are traveling from one place to another, they are modes of transport. And there are three modes of transport that we are using to travel from one place to another. So, these are land transport, water transport and air transport, and Riya is using train to travel. So she is using means of land transport. So let's start with the chapter. Open the page number 42 of your textbook. Today is a full moon day. Full moon day. Full moon day means पूनम का दिन था. आज कौन सा दिन था? पूनम का दिन. After taking our dinner. What is dinner? Dinner is the last meal of the day. There are three meals of the day. First one, in morning, we are taking breakfast. At noon, we are taking lunch. And in the evening, we are taking dinner. So, after taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. Means she lived in Gandhidham. So, they are using auto to reach the गांधीधाम रेलवे स्टेशन. शाम का खाना खाने के बाद वो लोग यानी रिया और उसकी फैमिली ऑटो कर कर कहाँ जाते हैं? वो गांधीधाम रेलवे स्टेशन पहुँचते. रीच मीन्स पहुँचना. आफ्टर सम टाइम द ट्रेन अराइव. ARRIVED. अराइव मीन्स होता है टू रीच, पहुँचना. तो कुछ देर के बाद ट्रेन पहुँची. कहाँ पर? एट द स्टेशन मीन्स गांधीधाम रेलवे स्टेशन पर. We saw some passengers. Passengers means the people who are traveling. Means yatri. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. और हमने देखा कि कुछ passengers ट्रेन में पहले से बैठे हुए थे. Train had departed. DEPARTED. Departed means leave the place. Means रवाना होना. The train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj main station of Kutch. In Kutch, there are 10 talukas, and from them, Bhuj is the main city and center of the district, means center of the Kutch. So from there, from Bhuj, the train had departed. Departed means to leave the place, यानी वहाँ से रवाना हुई थी. कितने बजे? So 7:50 p.m. means शाम के 7:50 पर. And the name of our train was the Kutch Express. और उनकी ट्रेन का नाम क्या था? KUTCH Kutch and EXPRESS Express. मीन्स उनकी ट्रेन का नाम था the Kutch Express. तो वहाँ कहाँ से आई थी उनकी ट्रेन? भुज से आई थी. कितने बजे चली थी वहाँ से? तो 7:50 पर. When we went near the coach, COACH coach. Coach means wagon. WAGON wagon. जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं यहाँ ट्रेन के डिफरेंट वैगन है. वैगन मीन्स डिब्बे. सो when we went near the coach, यानी जब हम अपने ट्रेन के डिब्बे के पास पहुँचे, there was so much commotion from a single door. COMMOTION. commotion. commotion means great noise, great disturbance. वहाँ पर बहुत ही ज़्यादा शोरगुल था. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage. 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 luggage means सामान inside. तो वहाँ पर लोग कुछ लोग the people were getting off means कुछ लोग उतर रहे थे ट्रेन से, and others were pushing. और दूसरे क्या कर रहे थे? पुश कर रहे थे, धक्का दे रहे थे. and trying to put their luggage inside. और वो कोशिश कर रहे थे कि वो अपना सामान अंदर ट्रेन में रख दें. Father felt someone pushing. और मेरे पापा को ऐसा लगा कि किसी ने धक्का दिया है. So he said, train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes. So don't be in a hurry. तो उन्होंने कहा कि यहाँ ट्रेन 15 to 20 मिनट रुकेगी, तो जल्दी मत करो. What was the name of Riya's train? The name of Riya's train was the Kutch Express. There are different type of passenger express also. Some are demo train, these are common train, and for them no reservations are there. अगर डेमो ट्रेन में हमें बैठना हो तो उसके लिए कोई रिजर्वेशन नहीं होता, बिकॉज देयर वर दैट इज कॉमन ट्रेन, और उसमें कोई भी बैठ सकता है और सीट मिल सकती है, बिकॉज देयर वर नो रिजर्वेशन फॉर डेमो ट्रेन. बट इन द एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन देयर वर मैनी कोचेज, फ्रॉम जनरल कोचेज टू AC coaches. So they booked their tickets for sleeper coach. We somehow managed to get in. और जैसे तैसे करके हम ट्रेन में चढ़ गए. Found our seats and they got their seats. Seats means berth. 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 And kept our luggage at a proper place. और हमने हमारा सामान ठीक से रख दिया. By the time the train started, और समय से ही थोड़ी देर में ट्रेन शुरू हो गई. Most people had found their seats. ज़्यादातर लोगों ने उनकी सीट ढूंढ ली थी. Mother and I means mother and Riya got window seats. उन दोनों को window seats मिली थी. In sleeper coaches there were different compartments, and in a compartment there were 8 seats totally. 2 lower seats, 2 middle seats, and 2 upper seats, and 2 side seats are known as RAC seats. So they got window seats. And father and Himaksh, who was Himaksh? Himaksh was Riya's brother, got the middle seat. फादर को, उसके फादर को और हिमांश को मिडिल सीट्स मिली थी. देयर वॉज अनदर फैमिली विथ अस, और वहाँ पर उनके साथ एक और दूसरी फैमिली भी थी. दे सीम टू बोर्ड द ट्रेन. SEEM. सीम मीन्स टू अपीयर, ऐसा लग रहा था. टू बोर्ड BOARD. सो दे गेट ऑन. बोर्ड मीन्स टू गेट ऑन. सो they seem to board the train from the previous station. Previous means पहले वाला. तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे उन्होंने ये ट्रेन इससे पहले वाले स्टेशन से पकड़ी थी. They had 2 children of our age with them. और उस फैमिली में 2 बच्चे थे उनके साथ जो हमारी एज के, हमारे यानी उम्र के ही थे. They got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. There are 8 seats in one compartment, and the another family got 2 upper seats. उनको 2 ऊपर वाली सीट्स मिली थी, and 2 lower seats, और 2 नीचे वाली सीट्स मिली थी. And Riya's father and brother got 2 middle seats. तो उन दोनों को middle seat मिली. Riya and her mother got the RAC seats, means the window seats. After some time, the ticket collector came and checked to see if we were in our proper seats. और कुछ देर बाद टिकट कलेक्टर मीन्स TC आया और ये देखने के लिए, और उसने चेक किया कि हम अपनी प्रॉपर सीट्स पर हैं या नहीं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड रिया's फादर हैज सेड टू गेट इन द ट्रेन क्वाइटली. रिया के फादर ने ट्रेन में आराम से चढ़ने के लिए क्यों कहा? आंसर, because when all people are pushing each other to get into the train and they are in hurry, so father said to get in the train quietly, because the train would stop there, stop the station, 15 to 20 minutes. So her father has said to get in the train quickly because the train would stop the station for 15 to 20 minutes. क्योंकि ये ट्रेन स्टेशन पर 15 से 20 मिनट रुकने वाली थी. सो उसके फादर ने ट्रेन में आराम से चढ़ने के लिए कहा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, how will you recognize the ticket checker at the time of journey? He checks the tickets and he wears a black coat, white trouser and a special kind of hat. So according to his uniform, and he has a special badge of railway authorities. So by this we can recognize the ticket checker. We can recognize the ticket checker from his uniform. What is his uniform? So that is white trouser, black coat and a special cap. And the special base given to him by railway authority. So we can recognize the ticket checker from his uniform, means white trousers, black coat and a special cap, and the special badge which is given to him by railway authorities. So according to this we can recognize the ticket checker. Now question is there, which details ticket checker checked in the ticket. So here you can see the ticket, and on this ticket you can see which details are given. So date of journey, then train number, names of the starting and ending destinations, then names and ages of the passengers, then seat number, extra. These details he is confirming with the book ticket. So ये सारी डेट ऑफ जर्नी, ट्रेन का नंबर, फिर जहाँ से यानी जर्नी स्टार्ट की है वो स्टेशन का नाम और एंडिंग डेस्टिनेशन जहाँ पर उनकी जर्नी फिनिश होती है तो वो डेस्टिनेशन का नाम, और उसके साथ साथ नेम्स एंड एजेस ऑफ द पैसेंजर्स, और जो लोग ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं तो उन लोगों का नाम और एज वो अपनी बुक टिकट के साथ, और एंड द सीट नंबर ऑल्सो with the, he is confirming with the book ticket. I hope you understood what I taught you in this video about trains and about the coaches and about the compartment. Remaining part of this chapter we will learn in next video. Thank you and have a nice day.